DJN TV.
Buhari don secretly appoint im nephew Tunde Saibu as NIA director. My better person there, I welcome you to yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel wey dey give you better news dem and gist as the things dey happen for our country. The matter wey we carry come today na very serious matter o, as our president Oga Buhari e don secretly appoint im nephew wey dem dey call Tunde Saibu Yusuf as Assistant Director for National Intelligence Agency (NIA). National Intelligence Agency (NIA) na be the Nigerian government division abi department wey dey tasked with the work of overseeing foreign intelligence and counter-intelligence operation. E just like the CIA be all those kind things. National Intelligence Agency na for June 1986 na Ibrahim Babangida for issue dis decree for number 19 make dem take dissolve National Security Organization and then to restructure the Nigerian Security Service into three parts: the State Security Service, the National Intelligence Agency, and the Defence Intelligence Agency. State Security Agency e dey responsible for domestic intelligence, while National Intelligence Agency dey responsible for foreign intelligence and counter-intelligence operation. Defence Intelligence Agency na dey responsible for military intelligence dem. Now, to become director for this National Intelligence Agency no be my o, no be wetin small pikin dey go do. You must get years of experience wey be like say e go give you enough information for you to fit work for that position as director or assistant director. Na this one so na Oga Bubu go carry im nephew wey dem dey call Tunde Saibu Yusuf to come become director for this National Intelligence Agency. He don give am to this im nephew as gift. Make I no forget say earlier this year he sack this im cousin say im cousin go reveal some kind confidential matter dem wey e no want make people hear, na im come take sack am. But now we dey surprise now to hear say he don put this his cousin as assistant director for the National Intelligence Agency, which this one na another exhibit of his sectional and corrupt determination to cash all the national and security position give a tribe people, so that when he leave office for 2023 e go be like say he get influence. Now Saibu Tunde Yusuf na nephew and domestic aide to Oga Presido, and now Oga Presido don put am as assistant director. Come be like say maybe na gift for all the work wey he don dey do since. Oga Bubu put Yusuf for this NIA even though say Yusuf lack the qualification and administrative experience to take handle the wahala the way they come with this crucial intelligence top job. National Intelligence Agency get to do with international security, not be state matter. This will not be local government matter. This one na international matter wey concern Nigeria and other countries dem. Mr. Buhari he don decline to make the appointment public to avoid make people no go to talk say he dey bias for a northern supremacy for public service. One person wey come bring the matter come outside don say abeg dem no call him name o. He say this Mr. Yusuf he never pass 30, he dey in mid-30s, dem never even reach 40 years, and he no dey even dey regular for this NIA job wey dem even give am o because of him primary duties dem for state house. He say na whenever he like na him dey come work, and the claim now say na him be the second in command for presidential villa, but him career work na for NIA. Na him career work dey o, just like say they use that second in command for presidential villa take dey cover face. He say the reason why they grant this Yusuf office wey suppose to take at least 16 years of career build up to this guy, so we never even get experience at all, na because say Oga Presido want make this guy dey in charge of NIA before he go comot for office. They talk say Mr. Yusuf dey send am to NIA for back of his special skills that Mr. Buhari said will be useful to the organization. Say the guy get special skills there when he go fit use. Say but the move now, e don cause some kind katakata and jigbiti inside the NIA because officials dey say e dey affect the knowledge base of future intake. Those wey dem go take later. The thing dey affect, e go affect them. Say NIA na where you dey recruited from the bottom. They go suppose to, when they recruit you, you go undergo important training. Then you go grow through rank. And then they to just bring somebody call like that to the system, e no good. E just be like the way military dey be. You no fit just jump from today you just enter military, you don go be major general. You suppose to follow the thing na stage by stage. They go dey promote you, dey go na small. And to become assistant director, e go take 16 years of active service. Wetin we call dey talk na Oga Buhari don carry im cousin go put for there. The NIA official don say how you go bring novice to this office when you no even get capacity to even train others wey dem go recruit into the service from now on, because director suppose to fit train people. But the guy na he no know anything. Say this way you dey destroy the system. See Oga Presido, this thing wey dey do, e no just make sense at all. Presidential spokesman, e no return multiple requests o wey dem dey say more na court talk how una see this matter concerning Yusuf appointment as NIA assistant director. Even the NIA director general Ahmed Abubakar, e no gree even talk put for this matter sef. Una go know say Mr. Yusuf na Oga Buhari confidant o. Na recharge card the guy bin dey sell before, but before you know, e come know as Oga Buhari win election for 2015, e come follow am go Aso Rock. Na from there e come become one of the dreaded people. Na him come even take over from this our late Abba Kyari. E come be like say na him now go be second in command for the country. E dey reported na him be one of the richest Nigerians alive after his stash of unexplained billions become matter of envy even for CBN governor sef, Godwin Emefiele. Those wey know at all say Mr. Yusuf no even sabi speak Yoruba, but him middle name na Tunde. How him middle name come take be Tunde, nobody know. Then somebody say they just name am follow this departed army official wey they call Tunde Idiagbo. You know say they just like to dash person name. Say but really him name e no concern anything to do with Yoruba o. Say that Tunde dey for there not because he be Yoruba. He undergo in tertiary education for Bayero University in Kano, and he obtained a basic computer training for one public institute for Jigawa. Mr. Yusuf wey dey carry out functions as a Mr. Buhari private secretary, he no even get corporate experience at all sef. He na son of Mr. Buhari niece Ajia Halima wey he waka for 2018, and na recharge card like I talk na him dey sell before for Kaduna before 2015. Come make easy road for am to enter government house. He was a recharge card expert, as you know. But if you want to know about his occupational background, you need to find out from the presidency himself. Because now our recharge card expert wey just dey be a boy dey follow president take get this kind amount of wealth, nobody know. Now they don put under the camp of President Buhari through the late chief of staff Abba Kyari. Mr. Yusuf now wey be commoner before, e don begin dey exert influence for seat of power, dey handle sensitive state house files. Now Mr. Yusuf wey pass along e get one memo like that wey dey pass from Oga Bubu to Oga Yemi. Na Mr. Yusuf pass am o, wey take connect with Mr. Kyari to manipulate the president into sacking the vice president for managing the conflict between farmers and herdsmen that time, so that they go fit award the 12 billion naira Ruga construction contract to am. Mr. Yusuf, he don shoot himself into national infamy for mid-20s after he reportedly say who be this one wey first lady Aisha Buhari dey call am make e for self-isolate after he come back from Lagos sake of this koro matter. The guy say abeg you comot for your job, who you be to tell me wetin to do? As a matter of fact, they don say Mr. Yusuf na influence the arrest of Mrs. Buhari's security aide because of e repeated non-compliance with the COVID-19 safety protocols. All this one na wetin this person dey do, and na this same person now Oga Bubu follow backyard go appoint am as assistant director for National Intelligence Agency. Person no fit obey simple instruction. Sources don tok say Mr. Buhari recognize the importance of protecting his inner circle beyond his stay for power. Na make am put Yusuf for there. He say even after he come even dey wan try to go after Goodluck Jonathan one time with corruption case to involve am with his Goodluck Jonathan and Yedi. But unlike Goodluck Jonathan, wey no protect the officials when he leave power, Oga Bubu dey committed to make sure say when he comot for seat for 2023, the next administration no go fit get anything to take hold am. Na make am dey put people for sensitive position there. Dey put them for where e be like say e go fit get power to take talk, to take cancel some kind things. Chief of Staff Ibrahim Gambari tok say e dey behind the plot to put Mr. Buhari hench people from being held accountable. E don assure the president say e don cover everything and e don implement everything well for the recent weeks the way don pass. So Mr. Gambari, wey don spend years as top UN diplomat, e don earn respect amongst Nigerians. So never twist to tey wey be like say Mr. Buhari e get one small controversy with Mr. Yusuf appointment that time wey get to do with Buratai as an ambassador to shield am from that time wey they call Buratai go International Criminal Court. He don fit shield Buratai comot for ICC wahala sake of say they call am say e dey cause crimes against humanity. Now anytime wey they say Oga Bubu dey like to dey favour people from the north, e go dey deny am. But matter wey we find out be say when they bring recruitment for state security service under a time, they reserve 535 slots for candidates from northern Nigeria. They come admit only 95 from the southern part of Nigeria. All this will not be nepotism. Nana, Mr. Buhari now, they make sure say all the prominent position there, now northerners and I cover this position. Now all these things there, now come be Mr. Buhari's secret plot to make sure say he comot the only qualified southern police officer wey go fit emerge as Inspector General of Police when he come give Mr. Adamu another 3 months for office, despite the law wey to say you no go fit serve more than 30 years. Now the qualified person wey suppose to take over from Mr. Adamu wey be Moses Jitobo, wey be AIG from Bayelsa, they don dey wan use style take comot the guy. All this will not be nepotism. Abeg my people, you chook mouth for this matter. How you go secretly appoint Smally wey never even enters the service at all from beginner level to become Assistant Director General? This thing e no make sense at all. Put your mouth for this matter. How you see this thing? Because e go be like say the country na only one side the thing dey favour. Anyway sha, make you no forget say this na still DJM TV daily news update. That your one-stop channel wey dey always give you the correct news dem as the thing take dey happen, even the ones wey people no even know. Well, me wey dey bring you this news, so my name na Lawuru Favour. Abeg, in case you never like or subscribe, make you not forget to do so now. So una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.